This is the new building for VDL Enabling Technologies Group in Singapore. WEnergy Global installed a 481 kilowatt peak solar PV system on this building, which houses offices, warehouses, and advanced manufacturing facilities for semiconductor equipment. WEnergy Global designed and installed the solar PV system in coordination with VDL civil construction team. The size of the solar PV system was optimized to fit the roof space and generates more than 638,000 kilowatt-hours of clean electricity annually. This is equivalent to powering 137 HDB 4-room flats annually. Finally, we meet with one of WEnergy Global's engineers who designed the solar PV system.
On this rooftop, we have our 481 kilowatt peak PV system, powers VDL Singapore, cutting 236 tons of CO2 each year. With the real-time data monitoring, we are driving the energy savings, leading the way to a greener, smarter future.